double head welding machine. So from the name of the machine, you can feel that totally there are two corners can be welded at one time. Two corners can be welded at one time. And I want to show you the main feature of the cutting of the double head welding machine. The main feature of the double head welding machine. First feature is the corner cleaning knife. Is a corner cleaning knife. With the corner cleaning knife, this can give you the best seamless welding result, both on the bottom and also in the top. And also in the top. Yeah, this machine is dedicated for seamless welding. Dedicated for seamless welding. Second, you can see the whole component that we are using here, linear bearing system. Here, come and have a look. I want to show you the actual component of linear bearing system. Actual component of linear bearings system. This is a highly accurate component, and then you can see even the shoulder part. You can even see the shoulder part. Yeah, this you will never have any tilt. Yeah, you will have any tilt. Yeah, it will always be upright. It will always be upright. Okay. Yeah, with this way you can make sure that you are always having the same accuracy in the machine. This is the second point I want to explain. The third point I want to show you is capacity. Big welding capacity. Big welding capacity. Other machines, maybe you can only weld up to 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter for a standard machine. This machine is much bigger, has much bigger open capacity. So with this way, you can weld any sliding door frame, tilt and turn door frame, yeah, tilt and turn door, tilt and slide door, any type of big size the door frame you can weld in this machine. Yeah, this is the third feature. And then the next feature I want to make your attention is a slot, special slot. It's a special slot on the back part of the machine. This is for special welding blocks. Quick change welding block. Quick change welding block. Yeah, so that when you change any welding, you don't need any tool. You don't need any screwdriver. You don't need any Allen key, hexagonal Allen key. You don't need anything. Very easy to install and remove. Yeah, this is the key feature of the welding block design. The welding block design. And then the next feature is, if you see the operation panel, you can see each and every operation of the machine can be separately controlled by each button. So this is really easy for maintenance, troubleshooting, service, after sales service. Yeah, this is the main, reason why we recommend this machine to any other customers. Very easy for maintenance. Yeah, very easy for maintenance. So after my explanation, you should be able to understand by all of these features of this machine, you can get really durable, seamless welding result. Maybe some other welding machine from some other companies, they can also tell you, okay, we also have seamless welding machine. But in terms of technology, it's totally different. In terms of technology, totally different. Yeah, totally different. Maybe in the beginning, okay, 1, 2 months, 6 months, or maybe maximum 1 year is okay. After the pinch knife becoming not so much sharp, then you can't have the same finish as the beginning. Why? Because they don't have the corner cleaning function. We have the special cleaning knife. on the welding machine itself. This is a unique point. This is a unique point in this double head welding machine. Okay, so the next we want to show you.
Yeah, give you a demonstration of this machine.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So everybody, please have your attention. Please have a look at the machine in real-time operation. In real-time
We will
operation.
make a frame here.
First, we will put the back piece. The back piece we are showing laminated. We are showing laminated material. Okay. Second, we will clamp on the left head, then on the right head, clamping. Then we will start the whole welding process. You can see the locating plate will drop. Heating plate from the back will move forward. Heating plate from the back will move forward. Start the welding process. The welding time roughly between 25 to 30 seconds. 25 to 30 seconds. Then this is the process where your PVC material will be starting to melt, becoming soft, and then heating plate will go back, and then two parts of the frame will join together. Two parts of the frame will join together. Okay, and then in the joining time, also another 25 to 30 seconds. 25 to 30 seconds. Immediately after the welding time, the cleaning will happen immediately on the welding machine itself. Immediately on the welding machine itself. Have your attention. Please take your attention, please. Then here, we will show you the welding result. We will show you the welding result after removing the protective film. Wow, it's really nice, especially with this type of laminated windows. I would say this would be the best solution available in the market. The best solution available in the market. This is the other side. This is the other side. This is not lamination but co-extrusion. So you can see the result in both lamination and co-extrusion. Lamination and the co-extrusion. Yeah, this is our machine, and also here you can see this on every machine we will have a QA quality assurance QA card. In this QA card, our assembly worker has to sign in their each process. Have to sign in their each process, so that if there's any future issue, we can always trace back. According to the serial number. According to the serial number of the machine, we can always trace back and then improve our quality standard. Okay. Yeah, this is also kind of reflective of our whole QC, this quality control. Yeah, it's also part of the requirement of ISO 9000 certificate.
Okay, so as I check, we till now we have enough time, so we finished this frame. Okay.
Okay, sure. Let's do it again.
最后一个
Let's do it. We'll show you another time the demonstration. We'll show you another time the demonstration, and then you can see the whole frame. Yeah, after welding process. After the welding process. First, again, clamping. Yeah, and then the next, locating plate drop, heating plate up. On the surface of the heating plate, you have to apply the Teflon, the Teflon cloth. Yeah, you have to apply the Teflon cloth. This is for better welding quality. Yeah, this is kind of consumable that no matter which profile you are going to weld, you have to use this type of consumable. Yeah, this type of consumable. So after welding process, because of the corner cleaning function, function, this will also reduce your corner cleaning time. This will also reduce your future corner cleaning time. Yeah, this is another advantage. Another advantage of this double head welding machine. Yeah, of this double head welding machine.
Okay, so this machine is normally used for welding the caliper profile, right?
Yeah, this is the main feature. This is the main feature of the machine. Yeah, for colored and laminated profile.
Okay,
For the
here.
colored and laminated profile, you can see the result again. You know, it's nice and consistent.
No
it's
need
nice
to
and
clean
consistent.
again about for
The top and the
top
bottom.
Yes.
There's no any necessity to clean the top and the bottom surface. Yeah, there's
What
no
about
any
another side?
necessity. The other side, let's have a look. The welding result. The welding result. Yeah, there's no any need to clean the top and bottom surface. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So we would say that this is not a kind of entry level machine. Yeah, this is a kind of entry level machine. This is for featured demand. Yeah,
Yes,
this is kind of higher requirement from the market. So this is about the market position.
Okay, Ranchi, here I have a question. Normally, which kind of customer they maybe need these seamless welding machines? Because normally they just use a normal welding machine. So I have this question.
Yes. So this type of welding machine we will recommend. We will recommend for existing window companies to upgrade their production. Yeah, as we explained, the welding machine. This welding machine is built and designed in the higher standard,
Okay.
in the higher quality standard. So in terms of cost, it's also a little bit higher than normal welding machine.
Yeah, okay.
So for any newcomer, new investors, our new colleagues, new friends that starting this industry, maybe you can start from a normal welding machine. But if you are already existing window fabricator, then you have a customer who is demanding in laminated or colored profile finish, then we would recommend you to go with this type of welding machine only. Yeah, because this will only give you a consistent quality finish, yeah, for a long-term period of time without much service.
Okay, okay. So thanks for Ranchi's detailed explanation.